सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तं वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Anyhow, now if you see this Shiva statue is exactly expressing the sutra which he is speaking. Of course, you don't have to see the statue, even if you are not able to see, it's okay. He is just sitting straight, the same way in which he is explaining. And he is represented by a sex organ, Shivalinga. Why he is represented by that organ, and why he is sitting and meditating, what he wants to say through the sutra, and how all these three things are connected is the whole discourse. Sutra says, when on a bed or a seat, let yourself become weightless beyond mind. Shiva says, becoming weightless will take you beyond mind. Let me tell you about an experiment about which I read. Around the world, this experiment is going on. Still, doctors are trying. Doctors are trying to weigh the body of the man before death and after death. Constantly they are trying to weigh, because the East is claiming that soul leaves the body. All the Eastern masters are claiming soul leaves the body when a person dies. They just want some proof. If something leaves the body, then naturally it should become weightless. Some weight should reduce. Because according to science, everything has got weight. According to science, everything has got weight. The big problem is science has entered into the realm of only matter. Only in matter level everything has got weight. Now they even measured sun rays, the weight of sun rays. They say 10 square miles. The sun rays which falls on 10 square miles, if you weigh them, it comes to the weight of 1 hair. Now they are able to weigh even the sun rays. They have proved everything has got weight. So now the only thing which they are trying to do, they are trying to weigh a body before death and after death, so that if there is a weight difference, if there is a less weight, then they can understand the weight of the soul. They are trying their best. All over the world the research is going on. But not only weight is not reducing, suddenly the weight is increasing. See, when a soul leaves the body, not only weight is not reducing, but weight is only increasing. Now doctors are in a big confusion. Because as far as they know, everything has got weight. And all these masters and mystics are constantly repeating, soul leaves the body when you die. Then there must be weight difference. Your weight should become a little less when you are alive and after your death. But instead of weight reducing, your body is gaining the weight. What's going on? They are not able to understand. You need to understand an important secret. This is the key of this whole sutra. Your presence is weightlessness. Your presence is weightlessness. Whenever you are present inside your body, you are weightless. That is why when you leave the body, it becomes more heavy. When you leave the body, it becomes more heavy. One more thing, whenever you feel your body is heavy, that part of that body is losing your presence. If you have knee pain, You have not given your presence to the knees. That is why that portion is heavy. If you are feeling heavy in the stomach, you have not given your presence to stomach. That's why that part feels heavy. In every part, you feel heavy when you don't give your presence to that part. That is why when your presence leaves your body gains weight. Means your presence is weightlessness. By the very nature, your presence is weightlessness. When the weightlessness leaves your body becomes heavy. Not only with human beings, even with animals they are experimenting. They are experimenting even with animals. The moment the animal dies, the body becomes heavy. One more thing, and this is the amazing thing. Even before chemical change starts happening, you may say because of some chemical changes, the fluids may become solid. That may be the reason why the weight is increasing. Doctors are saying even before the chemical changes starts happening, the moment the person is dead, immediately, because the chemical changes, it takes at least 3-4 hours. Even before the chemical changes starts happening, the weight is increasing. Still they are not able to find the mystery behind this research. They are yet to catch up with the spirituality. They are yet to catch up with the spirituality. Thousands of years ago, Shiva says, your presence is weightlessness. Now, with so much of research, they are proving the same thing. They are proving the same thing, but the problem is they are not able to clearly create a formula, technology out of this truth. Shiva has not only said the truth, he has created a beautiful technology, practical way to use this truth. He has created applied science also. Actually, all scientific discoveries, when they are doing, the person who discovers, the scientist himself is not aware of the utility or the practical application of the research or what he has discovered. Later on they start using it, applying it in the life. Only then the person who invented suddenly realizes, oh God, there are so many ways this truth is getting used. Even Einstein was shocked when some scientists declared his theory has got practical value. In some of his letters he writes, I never thought it has got some practical value. I always thought it has got only theoretical value. Like a Big Bang theories. There are so many theories. Just yesterday I read a beautiful article. They say that now they are coming up with more and more evidence in NASA to prove in less than a microsecond, from subatomic level to macrocosmic level, the whole universe has happened. The whole universe happened from subatomic level to the macrocosmic level, to the whole universal level in less than microsecond. They are describing in a very detailed way what Taittiriya Upanishad, one of the beautiful Upanishad, it says, Atmanah Akasha. From Atman, Akasha just appeared. Akashat Vayuhu. Vayor Agnihi. Agner Apaha. Apa Pritvihi. Prithivyor Annam. He says in Taittiriya Upanishad, the great seer, Rishi says, a great saint, he says, just like that, without any gap in time or in space, simply the space exploded from consciousness. From the space came the air. From the air came Agni, fire. From fire came water. From water came earth. From earth came the life, or the source of life, the seed of life. Vedas always believed, and they are always telling the universe happened just like that. They say just like that it happened, it expressed, it exploded. Now the NASA is saying the same thing. They say less than microsecond. I don't know how you will measure less than microsecond, but they say less than microsecond only it took for from subatomic level to the macrocosmic universal level. Just like that it happened. Anyhow, whatever the scientists are trying to prove, not only the truth, the application of the truth, both are presented by these great masters. Shiva says, your presence is weightlessness.